Hello, teacher Linda. I will explain the German reports records military spending to NATO. I am the cadet Polanco Sanchez Sebastian. Increased defense spending is the once-of-use demands on islands. Germany has notified NATO of a military spending of 53.3 euros billion by 2021, which represents so far the largest defense spending of the German government, according to the DPA news agency. Well, in Brussels, it is hoped that increased defense spending by the countries like Germany could help diffuse the transatlantic dispute over fair border sharing among alliance members. That NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg has recently made it clear on several occasions that he also expected the news to use President Joe Biden to put pressure on this issue.